The video transcript is from my book titled Navigating Leadership Horizon, published by Lulu Bookstores. Mastering the Art and Science of Leading Teams. In the dynamic landscape of today's professional world, the role of leaders has never been more pivotal. This book is a compass for those embarking on a leadership journey and a guide for seasoned leaders seeking to refine their skills in an ever-evolving landscape. As we navigate the leadership horizons together, this book is designed to be a comprehensive resource, exploring the multifaceted dimensions of leadership, team building, and the intricate interplay of human dynamics within organizations. From visionary leadership to fostering team cohesion, from navigating conflicts to championing diversity, each chapter unfolds a new facet of the art and science of leadership. Beginning with the foundational principles that underpin effective leadership. We explore the essence of leadership, the importance of self-awareness, and the transformative impact of an unobstructed vision. The team dynamics, we unravel the secrets of building teams that not only meet goals but exceed them. From collaboration to communication, each element is examined in the context of team success. Real-world case studies bring the principles to life, offering insights from the front lines of corporate leadership. These stories illuminate the challenges, triumphs, and lessons learned by leaders navigating complex scenarios. Leadership is a mosaic of diverse perspectives. We explore the significance of diversity, equity, and inclusion in leadership, shedding light on how embracing differences can propel teams toward innovation and excellence. Leadership is a journey of continuous growth. Strategies for personal and professional development, as well as effective leadership development programs, are discussed to empower leaders at all levels. Practical and engaging team-building activities are unveiled, offering leaders a toolkit to strengthen team bonds, enhance collaboration, and inject energy into the workplace.
The importance of ethical leadership is highlighted, emphasizing the role of leaders in fostering a culture of integrity, transparency, and accountability within their organizations. Communication is the linchpin of leadership. We explore strategies for clear, empathetic communication that fosters understanding, alignment, and a positive organizational culture.
The book delves into the strategic imperative of developing leaders and planning for the future. Succession planning is explored as a vital component of organizational resilience. For those stepping into leadership roles, this book serves as a foundational guide, offering insights, strategies, and practical tools to navigate the challenges and opportunities that leadership presents. Seasoned leaders will find this book a resource for refining their leadership approach, exploring new perspectives, and staying abreast of contemporary leadership trends. Professionals involved in driving organizational change will discover valuable insights to shape cultures, foster innovation, and lead teams through transformations. Whether you are at the helm of a team, aspiring to lead, or steering an organization through change, this book is designed to be your companion, providing guidance, inspiration, and practical strategies to navigate the ever-expanding horizons of leadership. May your leadership journey be fulfilling, impactful, and marked by continuous growth. Let the exploration begin. If you find this video useful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share it among your friends and colleagues.